In this video, we are going to draw the handle, this handle of the mallet, which is a wooden, and the shape of this comes from the insert where it is going to go, which is inside the handle insert, which we have already designed. So all I have to do now is to go to the sketch and edit the sketch of this drawing, and then I will copy that inside design and put it in the sketch of the handle. So I just click, select that one, Control C for copy, and then I open another file and save it as handle part 1D. Be sure that it's inside the folder for mallet assembly, and then I click save. And then I start drawing. I pick one of the planes, then I do Control V, and the sketch is already there. So now the sketch comes with the inside and the outside. I don't need the outside, so I can click OK here, and then I can delete the outside. If I hold Control, I can select all the outside and delete it on the key. So all I have to do now is extrude with 700 millimeters. Click on the small house, and that's done, and the handle is finished. We shall deal with the materials in another video.